Hey everyone, Mark Galashevsky here. I'd like to introduce you to a unique feature of Elliott wave analysis that can provide evidence to support a long-term forecast in some markets. Put simply, in rare cases, a developing long-term pattern appears similar in shape to one of its subwaves at one lesser degree. The similar shapes in these nested fractal relationships is evidence of the fractal nature of financial markets, and can increase the odds that your wave count is correct. Today we'll look at an example from India's stock market, but in fact these nested fractal relationships do appear in many other financial instruments, from indexes of commodities to individual stocks like Tesla. This is a chart we published on October 31, 2008, just as the global financial crisis was ending in India and many emerging markets. It shows the entire up-down sequence from the 2003 low to the 2008 low. The black rectangle outlines primary waves 1 and 2. Now in the red rectangle, note the similar shape of the smaller up-down sequence of intermediate waves 1 and 2 from the 2003 low to the 2004 low. That similarity of shape in the two wave patterns told us that India's stock market was ending its 2008 bear market and about to begin a huge third wave advance. Therefore, we wrote that day, quote, "Indian stocks are about to begin primary wave 3 of the bull market that began in 2003. Primary waves 1 and 2 lasted more than 4 times the duration of intermediate waves 1 and 2. If that same proportion holds going forward, the Sensex may continue advancing for 15 years. Now almost 12 years later, let's see how that forecast turned out. This monthly chart shows where we made the forecast, and since then the index has more than tripled in line with our forecast for a large third wave advance. Now that you understand how these nested fractal relationships work, see if you can recognize similar wave relationships in two other financial markets. With the next two charts, pause the video and see if you can solve the puzzle. I'll give you a hint. First, try counting a developing large degree 5-wave advance from the price low in the lower left corner of the chart. Then search for the smaller nested fractal somewhere within one of the subwaves of those larger waves, just like we found in India's stock market. First, the Bloomberg Commodity Index from 1960, and second, Tesla since its IPO in 2010. Now, if you think you've found the nested fractal relationships for the two markets, check out the September 2020 issue of Global Market Perspective or Asian Pacific Financial Forecast to see the answers and our long-term wave counts for the Sensex, the Bloomberg Commodity Index, and Tesla. The Elliott wave patterns in the issue will tell you all you need to know about what is likely to happen to Indian stocks, commodities, and even the world's largest electric vehicle maker in coming months and years.